Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to run through a couple things with you really quick. Hopefully, if you haven't watched any of the videos at all, you are going to watch this one because this is probably going to be the most important one. I just want to end up explaining to you final grades. That's what this is going to be based off of, final grades. Um, Key thing is, I just went into Portal. You've had a total of 5 assessments this term. Section 1, Section 2, Section 3, Section 9, and Section 10. So you've had a total of 5 assessments. The assessments were worth 80% of your grade, so the majority part of your grade. All right? I've gone in to focus and I've dropped your lowest one. So if your lowest grade was in Section 1, I've dropped it. If your lowest test score was in Section 3, I dropped it. There's 4 assessment scores that count against your grade. So pretty much what I'm saying is in focus right now is your final grade. That is what is more than likely going to come up on your report card. This week, all you have to do is watch Section 4 videos. It's an easy 100, and then do the daily warm-ups the next 2 weeks. That is all you have to worry about. If you have any questions, let me know. If you are a student that hasn't done anything, you've done no assessments, you've had issues getting into Algebra Nation, if you have a 4% F, you can bring that up to 100% A. All right? I'm not punishing you for turning in late work. You need to reach out to me. It is on you. 100% on you. After you guys are done watching this video, I want you to go into focus. I want you to look at your grade. If you are satisfied with it, great. Awesome. Love it. If you are like, no, Mr. Putnam's wrong, I got a better grade on that Section 1, message me. I will go in. I will adjust it. I will fix it. If you are unhappy with your grade, you need to go in and complete those assessments and message me saying, hey, Mr. Putnam, I went back in, I got higher grades now, and I'll go in and fix it. It is that easy. All right. And guys, I've been curving at crazy percentages, crazy amounts of points. I tried to make this term as easy as possible. I know the assessments weren't easy. You could have done them as many times as you want. I mean, we're what, like 7 weeks into this thing right now, and I'm still letting you go in and do whatever. A lot of you guys didn't do Section 10, so I dropped Section 10. I mean, if it's a 0, that's your lowest one. If you are happy with your grades, the only thing you have left is Section 4 topic videos, due this Sunday, and the daily warm-ups for the next 2 weeks. That is all you have left. Those are small percentages, okay? They're not really going to make your grade go up or down. It all comes down to the assessment. Remember, there's 5 of them. I've dropped your lowest one. It's updated right now. So your 4 highest assessment grades are in there. If I made a mistake and you could go into Algebra Nation and be like, man, that doesn't seem right. He only gave me a 10%. I know I did better on that. Send me an email or message. I will go look at the reports. All right. I know some students have had issues with it working. Take a screenshot, email it to me. Honestly, none of you should end this term with an F. None of you should end this term with an F. All right. You have 2 weeks. And if you've done no assessments up to this point, you can go in and do, remember, you don't even have to do 5 of them. You only need to do 4 because I will drop your lowest. And you can bring your grade up. Hopefully all of you are going to watch this video because this is the most important video talking about final grades. I have students sitting at like 110%. They literally probably don't have to do anything else for the next 2 weeks and will still end up with an A easily. All right. Also, I know you guys like the dogs because I got messages on it. So I have one on my lap because, yep, there you go, buddy. Good job. Because he is totally useless. So if you decide to break into the house, this is the kind of pansy dog that you would run into. He would do nothing. He would help you carry a TV out if you decided to do that. Hopefully none of you guys are going to be criminals. Don't rob houses. It's not okay. Also, I haven't gotten a haircut, so when you see me next year, I might look like a hippie. We'll see how long my hair gets and how intense it gets. Message me, email me, let me know if you guys have questions. Final grades. If this video is confusing, however I explained it, message me, email me. Pretty much focus right now. Those are your final grades. There's no more assessments you have to take. If you have a 72C, watch Section 4 videos, do the daily warm-ups, you're going to end up with a C. All right? If you have a D and you don't want a D, go into one of your assessments that you might have gotten like a 40 on, get up to like a 60 on it, and your grade will go up. All right? That easy, that basic. I do miss all of you guys. Usually at the end of the year, I say something good about all the students in each individual class and say how great they are. Guys, I know this isn't ideal. At least we got to shoot water balloons right before spring break. If you need anything, stop by my room next year. I'm not going to forget who you are. I'm not going to flat out ignore you. Even though some of you guys drove me insane and crazy, and some of you can figure out who those people were, I still liked you. I liked all of you guys. All of you are good people, good humans. Let me know if you guys need anything. Reach out. All right? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing, rainy, nasty Monday. I don't know anything about textbooks yet. No idea. Don't know how we're getting those. Haven't gotten any information. Once I find something out, I'll reach out, let you guys know. But that's really it. All right. I'm going to post this on the main general page. So hopefully all of you guys are going to watch. All right. I will talk to all of you guys later. See you guys.